Memonizer Combi restores the natural circulation of negative air ions in buildings and houses. Negative ions attach themselves to ultra-fine dust particles, causing them to fall on the ground, and as a result these particles no longer move around in the air. Aeromess is a company in Germany, specialized in particle measurements and indoor air quality. And this company carried out fine dust measurements at the primary school in Pijnacker from 12 December until 19 December in 2012. The measuring process was supervised by Frans Razenberg, an indoor climate scientist of the independent Razenberg Instrument Consultancy for Indoor Climate Quality. He works part-time for the Delft University of Technology. Over the years, pollution has increased strongly. Particulate matter, or PM, is the main pollutant. Fine dust particles are, for example, emitted by urban traffic. However, most particles come from indoor sources, such as clothes, floor covering, and due to poor cleaning. The air quality in classrooms is often poor, as there is usually no adequate air filtering installation. The measurements were carried out in a classroom in the main building and in a classroom in the annex. Both buildings were used for lessons all week, and automatic fine dust meters were placed in 2 classrooms and carried out measurements throughout the entire period. Memon technology was installed in the annex on Wednesday, 14 December. After 1 week, Aeromess collected the 2 fine dust meters, analyzed the data and incorporated them in statistics. The outcome of the report was remarkable. After the Memonizer had been installed in the annex, the level of fine dust particles smaller than 2.0 micrometers declined by 19% to 29% on average, and even by 36% to 59% during lessons. No decline in the level of fine dust particles were measured in the main building, where the Memonizer Combi had not been installed. Frans Razenberg pointed out that Grimm's advanced fine dust meters used by Aeromess are top of the bill, and that the measurements had been carried out professionally. A questionnaire taking stock of the complaints of the teachers in both the main buildings and the annex before and after installing the Memon equipment showed that the physical and mental health complaints, sick building syndrome, of the teachers in the annex had declined by 39%, while those teaching in the main building had hardly experienced any difference.